Booty goes. You getting it or what?
Yep. Caveman in there.
1, 2, 3. No more slant height. Got my girls here. Woo. What's up, hoes and bros? We got a huge project done yesterday. We moved the fuel tank from underneath where like a normal step usually goes and put brackets and all that stuff for an actual step coming out of the passenger side of the truck. Blake also moved this air tank and put it underneath the cab because it was here in the way, but now our fuel tank is there. And next we have some new Lincoln stacks that are gonna be going on this truck. So we are just waiting for a new 90 and some new hose new hose clamps, and we got hose clamps. And then we got new flex pipe and all that. So the next step, Blake is trying to decide if he wants to paint this truck or not. So we're gonna have to paint the fenders because we got new fenders. And then we also, thanks to hood shrouds, got the mini big hood. That's what it's called, right, B?
Little big hood.
The little big hood, not the mini big hood. So this is a short nose. So we are going to be taking the top of the hood off and making it straight with a new hood ring or hood surrounding and everything. So he'll have to paint those 2 pieces, or technically 3 pieces, I guess, anyway. We also got drop panels from Talladega Fiberglass. So he's gonna be painting those too. So he's trying to decide if he wants to go all the same color or totally completely new different colors. So we have to thank Big Blue, Kyle, Blake's dad. What year is that from? If you know Big Blue, he keeps everything. We call him a hoarder. Started out being funny, but I think it's true now. But look, it still works. I'm not really sure what we're gonna be doing in the shop today, but we do have this new toolbox that is for this truck. It has this like old ugly diamond plate one, but we are gonna be taking it off and scooting it up here closer to the cab, taking these off. And yeah, I don't know if we'll tackle that today. I know one of our little blue trucks, our little water trucks, needs its brakes fixed. I'm gonna probably do the interior. Chrome World sent us, oh my gosh, I can't open the door, I think it's locked. We got all the chrome and everything for the dash-in, so I'll probably do that. And then I also was wrapping Tammy Lynn's shifter and got a new like shifter ball and everything. So I'll probably do that. He's just talking shit. We got new rubbers and I can't get it open ever, so yeah, there's that. What else do we have to do?
Everything. Everything's got to be done. You just got to do it.
I know.
She just told me, oh, we don't even really have shit to do in here today, do we? The truck still doesn't even start.
Well, whose fault is that?
Yours, because you bought the wrong size fuel line.
Oh my goodness, I don't think so. Oh, yeah. We need to mount this too. This is our little drop axle thing.
There's nothing to do.
Yeah. Oh, and we also
check this out, look.
Are looking.
In case you want to see a little ass.
Damn, daddy. That's sexy. Would you be mad if I did that trend and just whop?
What the fuck?
I didn't know it was gonna tear that easy.
Well, fuck yeah.
They make it look like those people are so strong. That tears so easy.
Well, this is already tore, you ding.
Go, Lily. Did your sissy come see you, Lola?
Y'all doing?
Lily never comes in the shop. Lola is so excited. Get her, Lily. Go. Go, 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 go. Go, Lily, go, Lily, go. Babe. I think Lola loves the cool weather. We're ready to tackle the toolbox. We're getting rid of this one. Oh damn. What'd they think they were gonna
get a hemorrhoid on this bitch?
Heavy duty.
Holy. It's way girthier than I thought it was gonna be. Son of a bitch.
Why is it so heavy?
Motherfucker, weight reduction.
No, tell Daddy. It's okay, baby.
Go try to pick it up.
I'm okay.
Look at that. Just put 12 nuts on there.
The shit we found on this truck is crazy.
I don't know if this is gonna
Do you want to put 2 boards or
no,
anything?
just go where we wanted it. Okay. Go up a minute and then I'll see if I need to move it.
You want to get it off of that? There you go. Yes. And then we're going to put a ladder in between, right?
Go forward.
Got it.
There you go.
Good. How wide is your ladder?
Oh, I don't know.
Is it going to hit here?
No.
Oh, I have a piece.
No, it'll go in there.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks good.
Who's driving that bus?
Oh, we need to go to the right a little bit. Yeah, we could scoot it a little more over.
Go in a little bit more?
It's too far to the left. Right?
You just be driving.
Yeah, like right there. We'll have to get on the other side of this bolt right here, but that looks a lot better. What do you think? Do you think it's better closer?
She said.
Hell yeah. That
I think
looks
that
good.
looks nicer.
It don't matter. Right.
That's my wish. I didn't know you
I just heard.
Jesus.
Damn. Guys! Hell, I'm scared.
Oh my god.
Damn.
We got Katie here behind the camera.
I quit welding and now I'm their
Videographer. Jesus, Blake. I thought you were joking. Yeah. Makes it look so much better.
It does what?
You gushing.
It's still hard
Busting,
to.
but she said it does what?
It does
It's
what?
so hard to
What?
squeeze out. Alright, so we got most of it on, but our Rockwood little things aren't in yet, and then I didn't get this, and I'm one short here, and them things didn't fit on here, so I guess I have to get a different little deal or whatever, but it looks so much better. Yes. I didn't get this cover because I feel like that's just like too much. Kind of tacky, but yeah, it looks a lot better. Blake is doing the brackets for the toolbox, and I don't know if she wants to be on here, but Katie's here vibing, hanging out. But yeah. And noodle arms.
You always gonna be a man.
Oh, yeah.
Need a wrench?
Yeah. Chill. He was like, I never said she built it, but.
Oh my god.
Hey, you should call Haley and get that.
With one.
Yeah.
That looks good though. It's cute.
It's gotta be pretty fucking square.
We have a celebrity welder being featured today.
And a fire watch. I don't know why they asked me to come here.
So she's gonna be doing the brackets for our toolbox. High quality welds. I don't think that welder's ever been laid like that.
Do you want her to video on your phone to put on your?
She's gonna airdrop it to me.
Yeah. Looks good, bitch. Okay.
What did I just say? 38.
Katie got it all done and Blake forgot a piece, so
No, it was her fault. She was rushing me.
we're suiting back up. We're gonna close this end off so we can
That's fucking nice.
smell it good. Put our air tank right there. It's gonna look good. They got the brackets done and they look really good. Let me see. Show it off, babe. Come on. Let me see your work.
Let me see. Work.
This is Katie's engineering over here.
Oh, shit. We'll see if it breaks. Just straight to the ground.
We need to twist it. Can you pull your side out of here?
Yeah. How much?
I gotta just, I'm going slow. Is it too skinny?
Ooh.
Ugly ass things are finally coming off. Praise the Lord.
That's just bags under its eyes.
Aw,
What?
give her a little facelift.
Oh, I thought she was like, oh, something happened. We're gonna keep these and put them up on the wall.
Oh yeah.
What do you think?
It's good. It's better when there's more than one person doing it.
Oh yeah.
Well, booty goes.
Are y'all done yet?
Big bag. We got the fender off. Katie got all those ground off. We have another girl in the shop today now. This is Merms. She's headed to the
Army.
army to do what?
The Black Hawk mechanic.
Woo! Bad bitches only. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna grind like up against that and just keep your blade flat and just knock that little like knob off.
Okay.
And if you don't like it, don't worry about it. Go Big Daddy. Hey, Big Back, you getting it in there or what?
Huh?
You getting it or what?
Yep. I'm caveman in there.
All right, get it. 1, 2, 3. You get it? No more slant hood. Got my girls here. Woo. Today we are working on getting the hood taken off of the truck. We're gonna be cleaning it really good and then we're gonna be painting it and putting everything back together. Okay, we got it loose. We're actually about to pull it off. I don't know if I've ever taken a hood off of a truck. Have we?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. I have no idea how heavy it is.
Honestly,
Is it pretty light?
not bad. Watch.
Oh, yeah, I'm not heavy at all. Wait, actually?
Where you want to go?
Where are y'all going?
Where are we going?
Come here, Lola.
We need to go all the way out there in the grass, but
We can try.
ready?
Come here, Lola. You got it? Let me know if you need a break. Just to get that Maui Wowie. 2 big backs in the shop. We got our helper over here.
Fuck, we made it.
Oh,
Son of a bitch started to hurt my hand.
Is your hand okay?
We made it.
Woo!
damn.
What happened?
Of course, make the woman clean.
Ain't it? Always.
That's why you're videoing.
Finally came in 3 months later. And we took the cheap, lazy route instead of actually changing our broken.
I don't really think that's
holy
lazy.
hole.
The glory hole.
Oh shit.
Instead of fixing
Speaking
that.
of glory hole,
Honestly, y'all should have kept it.
The glory. Oh my god. I'm gonna get that, guys. I'm gonna get it.
y'all ready to spin her around the block or what?
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
No fuel lines, we
top
can't
line.
drive.
Yeah.
Damn.
We got the wrong length. Dude, this is not a job for nails. People are always like, oh, you don't really do all that. I'm like, that's
You're like, I do, but I fucking struggle.
yeah, that's the easy stuff. This shit is hard.
Let Flipper fingers over there get it.
Oh.
Shut the fuck up.
Flipper fingers? That's amazing. Oh, I almost dropped it. That's the top one.
Oh, yeah. It's better than watching an orgasm, to be honest.
And then you just gotta kind of rub it like that a little bit.
Gosh.
Oh, it's sticky. Okay. Oh, and it's straight too. That looks good.
Oh, yeah.
There's two
Put 'em
straight
in
things.
action. Oh, gosh. Oh, shit.
He's good at flicking them switches.
What? Huh? She wasn't lying. The fuck?
There you go.
Oh, yeah. Now I'm gonna fuck it up, put it on.
I'll put them upside down. Big ol' ass head.
Why is this key crooked?
I saw that. It's like bent.
Oh, shit.
Does that look right? Yeah, we're good. I just
Oh,
gotta,
that shit got
my
a crack in
I
it.
gotta
goodness.
figure this one out. I don't know what I need for that. Looks so much better.
How do you feel about it?
I'm satisfied.
Yeah.
Satisfied.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm happy. That's the only thing I'm gonna do today.
And we're done.
Back up or down? It's a lot lighter without the top pieces.
Where's Mama?
Lola. Okay. You got it on this one? Lola, you helping?
We can just put like a clamp. I don't have a. That piece gotta get cut off the other one yet. Most it's one way out.
Come on, Dino. There we go.
Woodworking shop a lot lately.
Ta-da! I'm not close. I'm on 0.5, I promise.
Yeah, every time she videos me, it's right in my face.
I'm doing better.
All my pimples sticking. A blackhead.
Which one you going to?
This one got a little bird on it.
Oh yeah, it sure does, don't it? There we go.
We're gonna pull them back off. I can see it this way.
Yeah. Okay.
Is it like a bit?
Yeah.
The cowl induction.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Then we just gotta line it all up and then start drilling
Yeah.
the holes for the center pieces.
Do you want another clamp? So you can hold it?